Polarlander is the high-tech enterprises which specializes in design, development and produce electronic products. 7-inch latest portable full-touch car stereo wireless CarPlay edition. You can use Apple CarPlay in any car without installing it. First set up the mounting bracket. Then use the mounting bar to clamp the display. Connect the wiring harness. Turn on the power button and wait for the display to start. The display is fully functional. Functions include touch, Bluetooth, FM transmitter, over-the-air playback, auto-link, NIPS USB, IPS display, USB media, voice control, online maps, dual USB ports. It also supports card insertion. Select CarPlay in the device settings. Turn on iPhone Land. Use your iPhone to search for this device Bluetooth Geminita. Connect the Bluetooth and confirm the automatic connection on the iPhone. In this way, you can easily navigate while driving, and also enjoy a movie or music on the road.